Galaxy S23 Ultra's battery life is insanely, unbelievably good. As I told you in my previous video, how the Galaxy S23 Ultra is the first smartphone to take proper advantage of the 5,000 mAh battery that's inside each Galaxy S Ultra smartphone. Its battery life is great, perhaps the best of any Galaxy S phone ever. And according to Sam Mobile, he continues using it. Battery life is continuing to get better in tandem. And at this point, it just boggles my mind how long this phone can last on a single charge. Sam Mobile says, my Galaxy S23 Ultra is sitting with 13% charge left after 2 days and 7 hours off the charger. And no, the phone hasn't been sitting idle all that time. I also have around 5.5 hours of screen on time in those 2+ days off the charger. Those are crazy figures for a flagship Samsung Galaxy smartphone. I mean, I don't get this kind of battery life even on Galaxy M or Galaxy F series phones, which have battery capacities ranging anywhere between 5,000 mAh and 7,000 mAh. Meanwhile, my S23 Ultra has never run out of juice in a single day, even in its first week, despite having more battery-guzzling features than mid-range devices. He says, to be perfectly honest, I never thought I would see the day when a Galaxy flagship will last so long before it needs to be charged again, but the Galaxy S23 Ultra has proven me wrong. The Qualcomm and Samsung partnership and the custom Galaxy-only Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor seem to be working out amazingly well. In fact, the S23 Ultra's battery life has got me interested in seeing how long the smallest Galaxy S23 can survive on a single charge. Its 3,900 mAh battery doesn't sound huge on paper, but if all three Galaxy S23 models have similar optimizations, that 3,900 mAh battery will probably punch above its weight. The same is likely to be true for the 4,700 mAh Galaxy S23 Plus battery. At the end, he said, of course, without actual testing, none of my hopes and expectations have any solid ground to stand on. Still, after using the Galaxy S23 Ultra the last week or so, I'm feeling optimistic. I can't wait to use the other two Galaxy S23 models and see how they fare once they're fully charged and disconnected from a power source. What do you think about this beast? That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Comment below, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.